education sector.
Morning everyone, I am Clarice Nicole Angkan, and for today's video I will introduce to you the ICT tools and technologies used in education sector. So first is the learning management system. Next is the educational apps and the virtual classrooms. So these are very important for us and very helpful for us when we are making our projects, activities, and um, schoolworks given by our teachers.
Hi everyone, my name is Junami Bioperio and my topic is all about the benefits of ICT using in education sector. Four benefits. First is personalized learning. Second is learning is impossible anytime, anywhere. Third is group project and discussion are easier with the online tools. Fourth is student can easily find learning and materials online.
So hello everyone, my name is Serchel Esteban Amahan and here's are the challenges of using ICT in education sector. Number 1, not all students have access to devices and the internet. Number 2, cybersecurity and privacy risk. And number 3, excessive screen time can cause health issues.
Real-world examples or case studies, depth-ed learnings, continuity plan, implemented and accelerators classes like having an online class during COVID-19 pandemic.
And that's all. Thank you, everyone.